A week-long World Plastic Surgery Day observance began today at General OPD Complex, RIMS, Imphal. The inaugural function of the observance, which is being organized by Department of Plastic Surgery, RIMS, was graced by RIMS Director, Professor Guru Aribam Sunil Kumar Sharma, Medical Superintendent Professor Nepram Sanjeev, former Head of Department of Plastic Surgery, Professor Guru Aribam Nilamani Sharma, Sija Hospital's Chairman cum Managing Director, Dr. Khundongbam Palin, and Rotary Club of Imphal President, Dr. Tingujam Digale, as the main dignitaries. During the function, attendees paid floral tributes to Maharishi Sushruta, who is revered as the father of surgery, besides distributing assistive aids to patients suffering from post-burn deformities and felicitating successfully treated plastic surgery patients who shared their stories of recovery and resilience. Several eminent plastic surgeons of Manipur were also honored for their outstanding contributions to the field of reconstructive surgery in the region. In his speech, Director Sunil Kumar highlighted the vital role of plastic surgery beyond aesthetics, focusing on reconstruction, restoration, and rehabilitation. He acknowledged the presence of three eminent plastic surgeons, including the pioneer of the specialty in the state, besides praising the dedicated efforts of the plastic surgery department at RIMS in managing trauma, burns, and cancer cases. He also emphasized the need to promote awareness, research, and training to advance this life-changing specialty. Head of Department of Plastic Surgery RIMS, Dr. Akoijam Ibohal, traced the genesis of World Plastic Surgery Day to the observance of National Surgery Day in India in 2011, before being upgraded to World Plastic Surgery Day in 2021.
Plastic surgery, as we know, is not merely about aesthetics. It is about reconstruction, restoration, and rehabilitation. From trauma cases to burn injuries to congenital deformities and post-cancer reconstructions, the reach and relevance of plastic surgery span across age, gender, and condition. It is a discipline that blends science with artistry, compassion with precision. At RIMS, we are proud to have a dedicated plastic surgery department with lots of experts and one of the first super specialty subject in this very own institute of RIMS Imphal.
Plastic surgery haiba laying patha ase India da country Bharat Barsha asidagi handokhibane akogi RIMS da plastic surgery lerak pasisu yamna kuire department on electric agi mamangda 1982 dagi hauna akogi department of surgery da attached to unit ama on leri aduga loina na sahi kya agi matungda akogi 1997 dagi hauraga department of plastic surgery haina full fledged department ama lerki aduna akogi department da hujik akogi faculty masing chapchana leire professor leire associate professor assistant professor lon mang sune leire aduga plastic surgery na tabu ya bathabu puna mak akoina manipur gi akogi praja mayam da manipur gi kunai gi akoina seba tamjari plastic surgery sida akogi reconstructive surgery habama aduga cosmetic surgery habama ani thui masi ani sitana thana ba yadraba akogi senior amagi mamai ani gumbani aduna reconstructive surgery da kuna senjun sajin ba akogi popudagi akoina mama pundagi yaroklaba simban kaiba no kaiba kusa masing henjalakpa kusa sandanaba adugumba amang thongi sarukta akogi mapan thokumda soina palakwa hypos medias ka haiba adugumba operation continental anomaly mama koina operation tawjari